Hey guys. Almost got it. So today we're going to be doing an install on a rooftop tent on a Tacoma. Got a front runner rack, and I'd like that guy started his car. So we'll get going. Everything included, obviously the tent. We got the ladder, the cover, of course, the aluminum extrusions that you mount to the rack, and then you know, shoe bag in the back and all the hardware. And then the Smittybilt tent comes with a pretty cool, it's an LED thing that you put up top, and so you have light in your rooftop tent, so it's pretty cool. So right now what I'm doing is, this is the mounting plates for the ladder. We got them mounted on, so I'm just taking the hardware off. The ladder will mount to this. And then we've got 8 of these 6mm bolts. 4 of them will only have 1 washer, and another 4 of them will have 2. Use the 2 because you want to clamp it with washers on either side. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these, one of the mounting plates. You're going to feed it through with one of the washers, and then you're going to get the other washer. Go like that. You're going to lift the mattress up and push it through, basically. Hold it. And then these are nylocks, so you're not going to need any Loctite. Just get that finger tight for right now. I'll do the other one. Put the other one in. Takes a little motivation to get through here. There we go. The other washer. And then your nylock nut. Freaking magic trick trying to get this thing on because it's so short. Okay, so once this is finger tight, we've got one on. You'll repeat the same for the other one, and then you'll just tighten them down with I got a socket, and then they provide 2 wrenches. One is a 10 and one's a 13. You'll stick the bolt, washer, plastic washer. You'll go through the hole. Just gotta line it up. Through there. Then on the other side, you'll follow it up with a plastic washer, metal washer. There we go. And we'll just make that hand tight. Snug it up, not too much. You don't want to snug it up too much, because if you snug it up too much, then you're not going to be able to move your ladder. Alright, so look at these aluminum extrusions in some packaging. Just take these rubber end caps off, and we'll just set them aside for a minute. So it matters which direction you place these. If you place these like that, both sides, it's going to open front to back. But if you place it like this, it will allow you to open side by side. So since we have a Tacoma, we want to be able to open it either on the driver or passenger side, not on the back, because it's, you know, a really short rack. One of the nice things about the Smittybilt tent is the holes are already drilled. For the ladder and for the tent. So what you're going to do is just, you can measure, eyeball it. I'm just going to eyeball it, but we're just going to make sure that it's even on both sides. And then we're going to tighten her down, and we'll do the other side. Alright, so our front runner provided some black hardware. It's a little bit shorter, but this came with the tent. So just drop it in and seat it in right there so it doesn't move. and then you will push it in right there. And you have to lift it up and just push it down. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we've got the tent up now, and we're gonna align it. I'm just gonna loosely put all these bolts on. We got a washer and a lock nut on there. So yet again, don't need to lock tight.
We just have to make sure that Ben's handiwork was good. Not too bad. Alright, so when you go to put the tent away, they include these little bungees. And you put them on each side, and what the bungees do is it helps bring the sides in towards the tent so you don't have any excess overflowing outside the tent, which makes putting the tent away and storing it for when you actually do go to back on the road much easier.
Next step is we got to put the ladder up, so you got to pull these out, push this up, and those elastics we were talking about earlier, we'll just go, or pull everything in, let it go in like that. Now we're just going to strap it down, so it looks like on the sides, over here on both sides, there is a strap over here. It'll go up, tug it down. There's another ring, which is pretty nice that it's a double catch. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're putting the cover on. You gotta kind of work it on. You take the straps, put it over. Same thing with the Velcro, just like on the sides. It'll secure it.